Hello, Emmy. Uh, it's October 29th or 30th, I can't remember, but the reason I cannot come online is because this big snowstorm, Hurricane Sandy, has knocked out my cell phone signal, so I can't come online like that. And it's knocked out my power, my electricity. I've been putting food under snow to keep it cold because the refrigerator don't work because, no electricity. You want to know what I wear in the winter? Well, I'm wearing a coat with a sweatshirt underneath it, with a shirt with half arms underneath it, jeans with long, thick socks, boots, thick gloves. I could put my hood on, but this is 4.5 inches, 4 3/4 inches snow. And it's perfect snow to make a snowman. I mean, I'll do it down here. I mean, look, just I can get a big old handful of snow like that. You build a snowman or whatever, it's perfect snow for that.